See this syringe. Now we are going in the backyard of our house, and we are going to test in a plant that I will, from this syringe I will put water in the veins of the plant. But when the water is fully filled in the veins will get blast. From this syringe I will put water in the veins of this plant. See this plant, it's here, this plant. Now with this syringe I will put water. See this, I will give the live experiment. See this, see this. With this syringe I will put water in that. Okay, like this, see this, see, with this syringe, see this syringe I will pour water in these veins and it will get blast. See this later on. Okay, go. It does not get blasted because the veins are not fully filled. I will come again and fill water in this again in this vein, and it will get blasted next time. Wait for a while. Now again I'm going there to fill water in his veins. I think this time it will get blasted. See this. See, I will put a needle again in its veins. See this. I put it the needle. Now I will pour the water. Now I will pour water. See this again. I think this time it will definitely get blasted. See this. Okay, it not get blasted, but water is coming out from its veins. See this. Water is coming out from its veins, but not get blasting. I think it requires one needle more. Again we are come back. Now I am going again to perform the same experiment. I think the water is going directly from there. Here is not any here is not any membrane to stop the water from getting down. I think so I'm not going to put in this vein because this vein is small and the experiment will be fulfilled. Now I am going to put in this vein. It is the new vein. I have poured 2 needles of water in this, but I think it is long and cylindrical. I think the water gone down. Now I am going to perform this experiment in the new vein, in the new branch. See this. I will hold it tightly. I will pull with the needle. See this. I think definitely it will work this time. See this. Blasted. It is blasted from here. See this. From here it is blasted. The sound was very low because it was small. Okay, and I will try in this. Okay. Results are not coming because okay, the needle got cracked. Sorry. Again I will put. Okay. Nice. Blasted. You have the sound. It is blasted from I will show the position from where it is blasted, but I think from where see this. Bye guys.